हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। सम ऑफ यू गाइस हैव सजेस्टेड कि मैं अपने पुराने जो स्लाइम ग्लूज है उनको वापस ट्राई करूँ। सो मेरे पास ये कुछ ग्लिटर ग्लूज पड़े थे जो कि आई हैव परचेज्ड लाइक 2 years बिफोर, और मैंने बनाई थी तब यूनिकॉर्न स्लाइम एंड स्टफ। आई एम टेस्टिंग दीज ग्लूज एंड इफ दे आर स्टिल गुड फॉर मेकिंग स्लाइम और नॉट, सो या हम अब इन सबको टेस्ट करने वाले हैं। एंड सो इफ यू गाइज वांट मोर दीज काइंड्स ऑफ अमेजिंग वीडियोस देन मेक श्योर to hit that like button. Guys, please give this video a like so that you guys can see more of these videos. YouTube says that we need more likes to get into the algorithm, so make sure आप इस वीडियो को लाइक करें and help the channel out. And also नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में ये भी कमेंट करके बताइए कि इस वीडियो का फेवरेट पार्ट क्या है आपका and what you guys want me to make next. So now, without talking too much, let's get started with today's video and let's make some glitter slime. So here's our first bowl. हमारे पास 3 अलग अलग colors हैं. So here's the red one and as you guys can see, the pink one. So basically इन glues की यही खासियत है कि they have a lot of glitter inside it, and आपको इसको बनाने में और मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ेगी और glitter और पैसे वेस्ट नहीं करने पड़ेंगे. So yeah, this is literally not sponsored you guys, but this is such a nice product. Like it's so satisfying as you guys can see. So I just wanted to share this product with you. And if you want to buy this, I have links in the description. You guys can click that. It will benefit the channel. So yeah guys, and now let's add this glue into our bowl because it's also so satisfying. Now I'll just zoom you guys in a bit. सो इस ग्लू की मेन क्वालिटी ही ये है कि यू जस्ट नीड अ वेरी लिटिल अमाउंट एंड आप लोग जितना चाहे इसमें वाटर ऐड कर सकते हैं एंड यू विल हैव अ रियली नाइस थिक ग्लिटर स्लाइम, क्लियर ग्लिटर स्लाइम. सो या नाउ लेट मी शो यू गाइज हाउ यू गाइज कैन डू दैट. सो अब you guys need to add a little bit of water or more. You guys can see I've added almost double the amount of water जितना इसमें glue था. तो आप लोग इसमें double amount of पानी भी डाल सकते हैं. You guys can just add however much you want and it will just work with it. ये पानी में बहुत अच्छी तरह से घुल जाता है and it acts with it like as you guys can see. So like we have this glue mixture now. It is a bit chunky, but if you add hot water, it will make it easier to mix it. But as you guys can see, it's almost a mixture. Like so, आपको इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं. You just need to mix it. As you guys can see, it is literally very easily mixed into it, and you guys can see all the glitter. Like ये इतना ज़्यादा सुंदर है guys. Oh my god! If you want, you guys can even add a little bit more water because you guys can see it's still very thick. I think we should add a little bit water though. Just a little bit. Now we'll mix everything into it as well. As you guys can see, it literally makes a mixture and also a very thick mixture. ये बिल्कुल ही लिक्विड ही नहीं होता है and it remains very thick. So इसकी जो स्लाइम बनेगी वो भी बहुत थिक बनती है at the end. So yeah, please comment down below your favorite color everyone, and also give me some dares जो कि मैं अपनी slime dares वाली वीडियो में कर सकूँ. And yeah, as you guys can see now they are all mixed together बहुत अच्छे से. And now I'm going to use बोरोक्स activator for the activation process. बोरोक्स एक्टिवेटर का जो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है वो है अबाउट 1 teaspoon of borax and 50 grams or 250 ml of water. As you guys can see, it's literally activating as we are talking. Like it's really activating. So as you guys can see, this is finally done, and I'll store these in this clear container. So yeah, let's just take some slime and store it in here. As you guys can see, oh my god, it looks really pretty. Now वो इसमें settle हो जाएगा, and after a little bit of time I'll show you guys how clear it turns out. क्योंकि अभी इसमें थोड़े से air bubbles हैं, so we need to wait until it clears up, and I'll show you guys the final result. So guys, I've tried my best to mix this, and now it's almost mixed together. And now let's do the final step of activating this, and then we'll have both of our slimes. So yeah, let's just activate the slime. Make sure आप थोड़ा amount ही use करें activator का, because you know it will get overactivated अचानक से. So you don't want to, you know, take any risk like this. Just go on like this. ऐसे ही mix करते जाइए इसको अच्छे से. So fantastic. जैसे कि आप सब लोग देख सकते हैं, our slime is done. As you guys can see, it's literally so pretty. So now अब हम इसको भी अपनी clear container में डाल लेंगे. And हम इसको भी बंद कर लेंगे. So this is how they are looking, and I must say you guys, like they look pretty similar पिछले बार की तरह, and really surprised कि how good the glue quality is still. And yeah, I'll show you guys when these two clear up. So let's switch. As you guys can see, they've cleared up like pretty much. It's been a week, I think, and oh my god, look at them, how clear they are. Oh my god. Let me show you guys how these slimes actually look and how well these are formed. So let's go. Can you guys see that? How clear it is? Oh my god, like wow. You guys see that? You guys can see my finger through it. As you guys can see, I have increased, you know, the saturation level. Can you guys see how clear this is? Oh my god, it's so pretty. Wow. Wow, you guys. Oh my god, I am out of words. It's just so pretty and so pokey and thick at the same time. आप लोग को याद है हमने इसमें कितना सारा water add किया था, even after adding so much of water. Can you guys see how thick and holdable the slime is? Oh my god, so pretty. Like as you guys can see, even like मैंने इससे इतनी देर यहाँ पे खेला है, and it's still very clear, which is like a very nice sign of a perfect clear slime. Now let's open this blue one. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. Wow. As you guys can see, this blue one is even more majestic. It's literally so flowy. Oh my god. I know it's supposed to be an ASMR, but it's so beautiful. Oh my god. So yeah, fantastics, that was it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you really liked this video, and if you did, then make sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and I'll soon see you guys in another amazing video. Until then, bye bye.